Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the composite beam, the aluminium, and here we have the wood slab, and we use the connector to as a connection between the aluminium beam and the wood slab. Also, we use surface-to-surface contact with frictional behavior between them under the air blast load. If I click on this, you can see here we can request first the stress. The stress here, first let me replace the wood slab. Here the wood slab. This is the wood and this is a deformation. If I click on animate, you can see the animation of this. This is the blast load and the stress propagation in the slab. Also, you can see the yield strength, plastic damage, the plastic strain, the displacement, or other results. For instance, here the stress. See here, these are the connection zone. Here you can see here these are the connection zone, and we use connector as a beam between the aluminium beam and the wood slab. And you can see the deformation of the beam here. The deformation of the beam is too much here. You can see that. And this is the damage variable, fill damage. The other damage variable, if I click on animate, this is the damage happen in the aluminium. Also we have the MSFLD and shear ratio or anything else, for instance the stress. Okay, so you can see here we use damage property to model the wood and aluminium, and we use connector as the connection between these two, and the air blast load is the conweb method. So here at the top layer of the wood we use compression data, in the bottom layer we use tension data, and the wood is the anisotropic material, so we should use the anisotropic property for that with the material orientation also. So if you need to model a brass load over the composite beam like this, the wood and aluminium, you can use this tutorial and come to our website here, abaqusfm.com, and find the English tutorial here. This is the English tutorial. Click on a title or blue sign, and then you will have title. You can see the geometry and assembly here, the material step interaction, and then the result as the figures. You can see them. The cost for the CIMP paper and English video file is 30 euros, and you can use a PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard before payment. Send me for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address to tell you about the purchasing process. Also here, notice to these things, these are the original works, not the copy like the YouTube that some guys do copy from our website or other website, but they can't respond you in a proper way if you have any question. Also, we have a full package for someone who want to learn Abaqus deeply in all method, all things in the Abaqus. For instance, we have explosion with all method, impact welding, bioforming, crack, and the other you can read. This package contains more than 400 advanced tutorials that you can use that. The cost for that is so affordable, and it is so good for the student, teacher, and engineers. So if you want this full package, contact me on this email, and I will tell you about the exceptional package and the so exceptional price. Thank you for your attention.